Overview of the scientific method. Scientific method is a process for experimentation that is used to explore observations and answer questions. Scientists use the scientific method to search for cause and effect relationships in nature. In other words, they design an experiment so that changes to one item cause something else to vary in a predictable way. Just as it does for a professional scientist, the scientific method will help you to focus your science fair project question, construct a hypothesis, design, execute, and evaluate your experiment. Ask a question. The scientific method starts when you ask a question about something that you observe: how, what, when, who, which, why, or where. Hypothesis. By doing an experiment, your experiment tests whether your hypothesis is true or false. It is important for your experiment to be a fair test. You conduct a fair test by making sure that you change only one factor at a time while keeping all other conditions the same. You should also repeat your experiments several times to make sure that the first results weren't just an accident. Experimental procedure. Materials. Least conducting an experiment. Analyze your data and draw a conclusion. Once your experiment is complete, you collect your measurements and analyze them to see if your hypothesis is true or false. Scientists often find that their hypothesis was false, and in such cases they will construct a new hypothesis, starting the entire process of the scientific method over again. Even if they find that their hypothesis was true, they may want to test it again in a new way. Data analysis and graphs. Conclusions. Communicate your results. To complete your science fair project, you will communicate your results to